Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to root your any OnePlus device running on OxygenOS 14, 15 or 16. I am using the OnePlus 12R aka Ace 3 running on OxygenOS 16 V300 build. Please watch this video carefully till the end. And if you have any doubt, don't forget to join our Telegram. Now, without further delay, let's get started. If you have flashed the stock firmware before, then you can directly go to fastboot firmware flasher folder and go to firmware. In the firmware search for the stock firmware. If you have unpacked it before, go to bootloader folder and copy the init boot image and move it to your OnePlus device. If you don't have unpacked the firmware before, you can directly go to the firmware flasher application and go to extra tools and click on fastboot enhanced tool to extract the init boot image. Go to the payload dumper and click on browse and select the stock firmware that you're currently running on. While. Now go ahead to partitions and search for init boot image and click extract. Let's move ahead to our OnePlus device. Go to settings, in the settings, go to about phone, go to version and tap the build number 7 times until you see you're now a developer. Now go back to the system and updates. There you'll see a new option named Developer Options. In the developer mode, as you can see here in the OEM toggle, it says bootloader unlocked. If you haven't unlocked the bootloader yet, first unlock the bootloader before rooting your device. I have already uploaded a dedicated video on that. Go and watch. From here, enable USB debugging toggle as well. This is the root checker app. As you can see here, it says no root access installed in this device. Now go to the Magisk application to patch the file. In the Magisk application, click on install, click on select and patch a file. Now go to the folder where you moved your init boot. Now select the init boot and click let's go. The file patching, when you see all done, that means your init boot is patched. It will be downloaded in your device download folder. Let me show you the patched file. Here in downloads, you can see this file named magisk.patched. Now the final step to flash the image, move ahead to the PC and move the Magisk patched init boot to PC in the platform tool. If you haven't downloaded the platform tool, the link is in the description. In the platform tool, type CMD in the address bar. A new terminal window will open. Type ADB devices in the terminal. Your PC will recognize your device with a unique serial number. If you don't see the serial number, that means you haven't installed the drivers properly. Now type ADB reboot bootloader to boot your device in fastboot mode. Once your device boots into this fastboot screen, type fastboot devices. When you see the serial number, that means the device is connected to the PC properly. Now type fastboot flash init underscore boot and drag the Magisk patched init underscore boot file to the terminal and hit enter. Now the flashing will start. Will start when you see the flashing is completed. Boot your device in system by just pressing power button. Device boots, go to root checker application to check root access. As you can see, we have successfully installed the root access with Magisk on the OnePlus 12R running on OxygenOS 16 Android 16. If you found this video helpful, do like and subscribe and comment down below on which topic should I make the next video on. See you in the next video.